I'm here to talk about heat transfer, okay? And the important thing to understand about heat transfer is it's heat transfer, not cold transfer. There's no such thing as cold transfer. There's only heat transfer, okay? So we're going to go on a camping trip. We're in the wilderness, and we have very little with us. In fact, my camping buddy, he forgot his lighter, so we can't start a campfire. The only thing we have is a magnifying glass. We're not going to cook ants for dinner with a magnifying glass. We're going to start a fire. So I get the magnifying glass out, and I line it up with the sun's rays, and the radiation heat coming from the sun is intensified with magnifying glass, and then boom, I start a fire. Okay? This is very MacGyver-like, and if you're too young to understand who MacGyver is, let's go Survivor Man, one of those guys. So we got our magnifying glass fire started, and my camp buddy brought a little bit of string. He is going down to the stream to catch a fish. So right now we've used heat transfer through radiation. Okay? Radiation. The sun's rays have radiation. We use that radiation to start a fire. We transfer heat into the wood and got it burning. All right. My camp buddy came back. Beautiful goldfish out of the creek. We put it in the frying pan over the fire. All right. I'm going to need a good oven mitt, or I'm going to burn my hand. Now the fire is burning, and the fire is heating up my frying pan. Okay. Heat transfer. Frying pan is cold, put it over the fire, frying pan is getting warm. The reason the frying pan is warming up is because of convection. Okay? I'll say it again. Convection. The air around the fire is being heated, okay? And the air is heating the frying pan. So convection has heated my frying pan. Because the frying pan's hot, the fish is getting hot. He's touching the frying pan. Okay? Conduction. The fish is absorbing this heat energy through conduction. So I'm talking about three types of heat transfer: radiation, convection, and conduction. I'll say that again. Radiation, okay? And if you don't believe me that you can start a fire with a magnifying glass, it's okay. You don't have to go get a magnifying glass. Step out to your car in July when the windows are up and open the door. Tell me if it's a little bit hotter inside the car than it is outside. It is. Cars can get up in the neighborhood of 180 degrees, 200 degrees if you leave them sitting out in the sun. Radiation. Okay? Hang the frying pan over the fire. You don't even have to touch the pan to the fire. You put it up here, the air is getting heated. The air is going to heat the frying pan. Okay? Convection. If you cook anything in your oven at home, you are using convection. If you buy a convection oven, all that is a little fan inside the oven that blows the air around to warm it up faster. So heat transfer through air. Okay? The fish touching the frying pan is conduction. You're heating the frying pan because the frying pan is cooler than the fish. The fish is absorbing the energy that's in the frying pan through conduction. They're touching. So again, the three types of heat transfer that we're talking about here are radiation, convection, and conduction.